Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How to plot the mid-parental height. Mid-parental height is basically you calculate when your patient present with short stature and you want to know whether it is familial, constitutional or pathological. First of all, for boys, we have this formula: father height in centimeter plus mother height in centimeter plus 13 divided by 2 and plus minus 10. And for girls, mother height in centimeter plus father height in centimeter minus 13 divided by 2 plus minus 10. You will have these formulas to calculate a range. And when you calculate a range, first of all, for example, if a girl and at 6 years of age having height of 90 centimeter with her mother height is 140 centimeter while her father height is 160 centimeter. You will calculate the mid parental height. 140 centimeter plus 160 minus 13 divided by 2 plus minus 10. You will calculate this target height, and 140 plus 160 is equal to 300 minus 13 divided by 2, 143. 143 minus 10 is 133. 133 and 143 plus 10 is 153. So your target height curve will be between 133 to 153, and you will first plot this height on a graph. For girls, you will have this kind of graph in 2 to 20 years old, height for age and weight for age. The below curve is for weight for age and the above curve is given height for age. Along with y-axis, height in centimeter is given 80, 85, 90 in 95 centimeters and up to 160 centimeter, and along x-axis is given age in year. So your curve will be drawn between 133 to 153 centimeter. 133 you will find here, the 130 above 133 point is here. 150, 140 and 133 point is like here is 133, and 153 point is here, one above 150, 153 point. So these 2 point you will draw two curves, two imaginary curve along with given curves. These two imaginary curve you will draw your own centile between these two curves. If your patient height that was supposed to be at 6 years of age 90 centimeter, if your patient height, we will plot the height at 6 years of age, your patient height was 90 centimeter. Here you will draw the point here at 90 centimeter. Your patient height is below the above curves. So if your patient lie in these two curves, below these two curves, that will be always pathological or constitutional. But if your patient lie in between these two curves and growth velocity follow these curves, your patient will be having familial short stature. And when your patient lie between these below these two curves, you will find the other causes of short stature. That will be, first you will find either it is constitutional or pathological. Then for constitutional, you will see the bone age. First you will see the bone age. If your patient bone age lie within 2 years of chronological age, that will be the first point favorable for constitutional short stature. And for if your patient bone age is equal to height age, the other point is favor your constitutional short stature. But if these 2 points are not correlate the height of your patient, that will be pathological short stature. And you will find the other causes of pathological short stature, either it is endocrinological causes, growth hormone deficiencies, chronic disorder like CKD, etc., and skeletal dysplasias. you will investigate further for pathological short stature. That's it.